Network Entertainment.
So may mga friends tayong ini-invite lang natin for coffee, 'di ba? Catch up. May mga friends tayo from kunyari, childhood friends na mag-reconnect, usap-usap, hey, alala mo nung grade school, humiram ka sa akin ng yellow pad.
Humiram. Specific.
May mga friends tayo na, alam mo yun, nakakalaro natin sa sports, sa
Yeah.
basketball. Hey, gusto nyo kumain sa, ng sisig after game?
Sa IC.
Ganyan. Kasi healthy yun eh. Diba? Pero every once in a while, you would encounter someone you've been friends with for, medyo long time na rin. And you would, be surprised with how deep they are into conspiracies.
Dun, dun,
Rabbit
So for this episode, we invited a friend of the pod, by the way.
Yes.
Friend of the pod, second time around, the very funny, the very beautiful Aaron Cristobal.
Hey.
Yay!
Good afternoon.
Hello, Aaron.
Hello.
But
Good
this
morrow.
time, sobrang nagulat ako na mas conspiracy theorist pa siya sa mga conspiracy theorists na kilala ko.
Maybe even me, bro.
Yeah,
Oh,
even you.
maybe even me.
Wow.
So, for this episode, if you're driving, enjoy it. Enjoy it. Alam ko marami kayong questions na, holy fuck, totoo ba yan?
Oh.
Pull up nga muna ako sa Petron. I need to really think about this.
Shout out, Petron.
If you're with your friends,
Shout out, Petron.
baka naman.
Lowest gas
Diba?
prices.
Tapat sa'yo, tatapat namin yung salamin sa inyo.
Blazing with low prices.
Yes.
Yes. And we're gonna talk about, eto, ayoko nang pahabaan pa yung intro. Aaron, how deep are you into, conspiracy theories?
Well, we are all energy. We are all just energy. Everything else is a construct that we created in our own minds. Everything that we do and everything we react to is a reflection of ourselves.
Damn.
That's how deep I am.
I
My
think
God.
Go.
dun pa lang, bro, if she starts a religion, I'll be in on it. I'll be in on it.
Anong pangalan ng religion niya?
Ano kaya?
Aaron?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
Pinag-isipan ko.
Arinat sumimba.
Sumamba.
Sumamba pala. Sumimba.
Sambarin.
Oh,
Sambarin!
Sambarin.
Sambarin.
Anong colors mo?
Hala.
Ay,
Debe,
nasira.
babalik yan.
Babalik yan.
Matik
Alam mo kung
yan,
bakit
matik
bumalik?
yan.
Bakit?
It's the energy pa.
You know what?
We can't be stopped, God.
Okay, we stop.
Cannot.
Yeah. So, Aaron, if you wouldn't mind, gusto kong ilagay yung spotlight kay sorry, forgive me, sir.
Sir.
Dr. Arlu.
Doctor?
Yuzon.
Trusted.
Yes.
Because
Trusted
ito yung ito yung first episode na pupunta agad tayo sa Yuzon.
Okay.
Look at that!
Okay.
We're having
Wow.
visual aid.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sayang,
Okay.
hindi natin dala.
Ay, oo. Do we
Okay,
have...
itong what I'm about to show you guys is probably one of the wildest things I've come upon sa internet.
Ay?
Okay? Recently, an artist na I sometimes listen to
Yeah.
died. His name is Oliver Tree.
Yes.
And we were talking about this before the podcast. They listen to Oliver Tree.
You know, I only found out about him when he died, but his message is clear.
Is he white?
Yes.
He's white.
I mean, yeah, with the
He's
last name
Caucasian.
like Tree.
Yeah, tree.
I think that's a screen name. Olive Tree. Oliver Tree.
I'm Oliver, bro.
Siya yung kumanta ng Life Goes On and On and On
Ah,
and
yeah.
on and on. Doon ko lang nalaman nung namatay na siya.
Ayun na
Sadly.
nga
But he
eh.
was manifesting it. He was saying na people are just gonna give a fuck about my songs when I die anyway.
That's sad.
He was saying a lot of macabre things days or months leading up to his death.
That's his thing
So,
talaga.
apart from being, music artist, ano pang ginagawa niya?
He is into conspiracies too.
Okay.
He's into
so dun
conspiracies
talaga.
too. He was even in the midst of creating a documentary about Antarctica.
Because he found the entrances to Agartha.
Agartha,
What the
which
hell
is
is
a whole
Agartha?
rabbit hole, bro. Agartha is
Agartha?
like, okay,
Inner
very
Earth.
quick. What is Agartha?
Agartha is inner Earth, and that's where the aliens go to and from.
To and from.
To and
So it's
from.
like a passage.
It's like a base.
Or
It's
is
a
it-
city.
It's
It's
a
a
city.
city.
It's a
So-
hidden city.
Okay.
Is it like
Para
an
Makati ka na.
actual like mechanical passage, or is there like a you kind of cross through like a
So one thing that
threshold?
Oliver Tree said that I am still very skeptical about is he was a hardcore flat earther. I'm a
okay.
little, I know about that.
Same.
Diba?
I'm on the fence. On
But he got to see kasi the ice wall, which is referenced in like Game of Thrones and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
And the ice wall has holes where vehicles can pass through. He theorized to get into Hollow Earth, Agartha.
Meaning a portal, parang ganun.
Parang
Yeah,
ganon.
it's the
shit.
entrance.
Okay.
Parking
Pointing to.
spot.
Parking
Yeah.
Parking space.
May ganun. Meron pa dito.
Gate 1.
Full na po. Full na. Sa kabila.
Tapos may mga naglilinis dun
Bro. Pasok ka.
May tumataktak ng kotse. Sige ba?
Kasi,
Okay.
so Oliver Tree. Oliver Tree died in a helicopter crash. Pero they didn't just crash. They collided with another helicopter.
Yes.
The fuck?
Okay, yung kabilang helicopter wala sakay.
Less famous people were on board.
Walang
Walang
sakay.
As in no driver?
No, well, there was a driver of
Okay,
the
okay,
helicopter,
okay.
pero there weren't any passengers dun sa second helicopter.
So medyo alam na nung driver na...
He accepted his mission,
Yeah.
so to speak.
Okay.
Yung sa kila Oliver Tree, kasama niya yung friends niya.
Yeah.
They all died.
Oliver Tree friends?
Yeah.
Oliver Tree friends.
The vlogger yung mga kasama niya, di ba?
Oh.
Vlogger, yeah, we're gonna go.
Okay.
So-
There are a lot of parang mga weird coincidences about surrounding his death and his friend's death. Okay? Unahin muna natin yung songs kasi siya yung artist siya eh, singer siya eh. In his song called Hurt, he said, "My day will come. I gave too much. I sold my soul. I'm waiting for my pay in full." Which is like cryptic in its own right.
Yeah, but if you know Diddy, you know this.
You know,
Sold my soul.
yeah. So, dude, yung visualizer ng kanta na yan is him falling in a parang impound. Puro sasakyan. That's him. And he falls on top of a car and exploding.
Okay.
What happened was exactly that.
shit!
They
Wow.
crashed in a parking lot na puro electric cars. So isa pa lang yan. That's one. Manifesting what's gonna happen to him, falling. In fact, sabi niya, his greatest fear is falling. So parang he's trying to face it now. Oh, I'll talk about falling and crashing. In his another song, sorry.
No, wala lang.
Sorry. Ito na, babalik na.
And three.
In-
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Sabi niya, I fell down to earth sa Alien Boy, song Alien Boy. I fell down to earth. And his other song, Flowers, put flowers on my tombstone because I hate you till the day I'm dead. Interestingly, in this song called Flowers, meron siyang scene. Paano siya namatay? Dalawang helicopters, di ba? There's a scene there. He stands in the middle of two choppers. And this whole song is about his death. I'll put flowers on my tombstone.
So how long ago was this song released?
Okay.
Anong year to?
I'm not sure what year.
Pero
You know
yung
what?
recent to.
Yung Flowers, Hurt, Alien Boy, part siya ng parang top 5 niya. Or
Okay.
top 10
Okay.
songs niya all time.
It might be interesting to find out when it was made because numbers also play a game here.
Exactly. Numbers, which we will get to in a
So
bit.
it's weird that everything he said.
He's kind of manifesting things.
Yes.
Choppers, fucking, and later on numbers too. The
Ayun na.
numbers here in this theory gets wild.
Okay.
Gets wild. Wait lang, lumuluwag ata yung HDMI.
They're
They're trying to
They're
stop us.
listening,
You
bro.
know
They're
why?
quieting our voice.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Okay. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy na. Okay. Let's go to this fact.
June 14.
June
2019.
fucking 14.
God, wait.
June fucking
Wait lang!
14. Alright?
Ano ngayon?
July 8th.
My bad, my
Okay.
bad.
June 14, 2026 sila namatay. Okay? 2 helicopters collided midway.
was
June
so
14 is the date. Okay?
Okay.
Let's talk about Gatsby. Yung isa sa mga best friends niya na namatay doon sa chopper.
Also white.
Also white. I mean,
Kind of looks like Peaky Blinders.
I don't know
a
if
little
He
bit.
race has
does.
anything to do.
The eyes.
So,
Mukha nga siyang flat earther din. Yeah.
si Gatsby is a content creator. Okay?
Mhm.
Gumagawa siya ng mga short films. June 14, right? 14:06 in his video. There's a fucking chopper.
Oh!
Sometimes that's how we write dates, right?
Right.
14:06.
Yeah, and the
14:06.
I think it's only Americans write it.
Yeah, yeah.
Na yung-
Differently.
oh,
Parang
differently.
Chinese, nauna yung
Yung day
apelido
pala. Oo.
sa nickname.
No, kasi
Yeah.
it does
Sorry,
make
sorry.
more sense na mauna yung date. Yung parang yung number, then
yeah.
month.
Then the
year.
month.
Kasi
Yeah,
palaki
yeah.
siya eh. I'm
Right.
sorry. Palaki siya.
Right.
14:06, 6:14, right? They died 8:59. Okay, the accident happened exactly at 8:59. Okay? In one of his videos, we go to the 8:59 mark. What happens there? There's a 6:14 on the fucking taxi windshield.
Gago?
On 8:59 sa video na yun, may
Tatakot na ako.
6:14 dun sa windshield.
It's the same video.
It's another video.
It's another video.
Best friend niya to, no?
Best friend, bro. Not in
Pag
on
ako
the-
namatay, gusto ko ng ganyan na. Like,
Ano mo, orchestrate mo.
Anong episode? Anong episode gusto mo?
1,000 episode. Anyway,
Ano ko malapit yun yun. Kaya eh.
Anong date mo gusto sana?
I would rather do it, sa mga
Burr months.
rainy season.
Rainy season.
Ah.
So ngayon,
Set up
June,
na
July.
natin.
Yeah.
Okay.
8:59, 6:14, right?
Yeah.
On the same fucking video, 14:06, what happens? Ay, sorry. Punta muna pala tayo dito.
Okay.
Nauna tong ano na to,
Slide.
slide na to. Pero mamaya meron pang isa. He died June 14, 2026.
Rest in peace.
His birthday is December 28, 2026.
So 12:28.
How many months yung pagitan ng June and December?
Six.
Six.
How many days?
14.
28, dude.
Wow.
Bilis mo
Six.
magmata.
Fucking 14.
Wait lang, I'm gonna admit, I don't get it.
Yung pagitan ng death niya at yung birthday
6
niya.
months.
6 months and 14 days.
6:14!
June 14, Leland
Sorry,
Lim.
I'm kinda slow. Okay.
Sorry, may
Okay.
numbers kasi.
Dude, eto. Okay,
Yeah,
sorry.
yun ang magandang title. pare.
Di ko lang na screenshot. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. On the same video, dude,
Okay.
sa 14:06 na mark, if you check it, he dies on that video.
Ah, wow.
Yung scene is his deathbed.
Okay.
And he dies on the 14th mark, 6 seconds. On this video, this exact video, kung saan may 8:59, 6:14.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
It's so hard
To
to
fucking...
orchestrate
to orchestrate
Exactly.
this.
that thing.
And to say that it's just a coincidence.
It's too many.
Oh,
It's too many. It's too many. Even this. So, 6:14 is very significant, right?
Yeah.
So, we go back to the main person, Oliver Tree. What's the 6th song on his latest album? Which is, yung album niya, by the way, pinublish yun without Atlantic Records. Kasi gusto niya umalis sa Atlantic Records.
Exact. That's another
That's
thing
another-
altogether.
So this is the label.
The label, bro. The label.
Atlantic.
Sabi niya, you're not marketing me enough. You just want me to do TikTok songs. You don't really care about my art.
Actually, may unreleased siyang song.
Really?
Mm.
Ano?
The Earth is flat. But anyway. So, sabi niya, alis siya sa Atlantic Records.
Tapos nirelease nitong last album niya. The 6th song on his album is Fuck the Whole World. Okay?
Gandang
You know what's
SEO
the
niya.
14th song? Halo. Halo, bro. That's what he did. Fuck the whole world. I'm out of here.
Yeah.
Halo.
Which brings me to, did he go to Agartha? Or did he die talaga?
So Agartha is like this haven
secret
It's
city.
a secret city.
Secret city.
It's like the Makati.
The Biringan of Antarctica.
The Biringan of
Ah,
Antarctica. Gusto ko yung hindi proven na totoo yung Biringan. Kasi pa rin yung reference mo sa another unproven thing. anyway.
No, and I like that you mentioned that he left Atlantic to become an independent artist, and that's when he died. Because recently, of course, we know Clive Davis died as well. And may mga ganyan din. Artists leaving the label and all of a
So you
sudden.
can't really leave.
You can't.
You
That's
can't, bro.
where the I sold my soul comes from.
God
From him being
damn.
at the label is him selling his soul.
Yeah.
Okay.
And selling your soul can mean so many things.
Can mean so many
Yeah.
things. Can mean so many things.
Okay.
Now that's just the first half of this fucking
We have
rabbit
time.
hole. Okay. Okay.
Aaron's
You know why?
here also.
Because time is just a constant.
Time is
Time is
just a
just a-
construct.
Yes.
There's a key takeaway today. Time is just a construct.
Are agreed upon.
Okay.
Construct.
Let's go
What
to
the-
fucking Kobe, bro.
Yeah.
Go to fucking Kobe. Kobe
Okay.
died how?
Helicopter crash.
Okay. And he died the same way, diba? But the fucking coincidences doesn't stop there. Okay? Doesn't stop there.
Oh shit!
Okay, wait.
Wait lang!
Wait.
I just saw something.
What?
Pause! Pause!
What?
Kobe's original number was
24.
24.
14 minus 6, bro. 40 minus 6.
14 minus 6. 8?
Yeah. And 6, 14 is... Okay, okay.
Wala.
You had me though. You said
But
it with
June
a no.
14.
What, dude?
June 14.
We're gonna go to numbers.
I'm saying June 14.
Yeah, June 14. Okay. Okay. Why are numbers important first and foremost? Okay.
Because it's code.
it's code. It's
Communication.
Code. Everything is code if you look at it. But very specifically, Atlantic Records is owned by Warner Music, and the Warner Brothers,
Okay.
the founders of the Warner Company, Warner Music, which owns his label, are Freemasons.
Tangin na. Alam mo na.
Yeah. Freemasons.
A.
The Illuminati.
Hova.
Cove. Rock Nation.
Allow me to reintroduce myself.
And sa Freemasons, bro, and you will know this, Aaron, sacred ng numbers, bro. It's fucking sacred.
Okay.
Okay?
Because isn't it like the universal language na parang no matter what, I know that when we launch anything into space, we launch pi with them also. Kasi no matter what alien you are, gets mo na yun yung
Right.
kind of thing. So it's
Right.
universal talaga sa lahat.
It is universal.
And diba Katie Haron, aka Lindsay Lohan, said in Mean Girls, math is the only thing that's the same in every language.
Oh,
Yeah.
Right.
They're telling us in our faces.
Sobrang deep pool nun. Yeah.
Kakanood ko lang
So
Mean Girls.
Freemasons and numbers, right?
Okay.
Okay. Oliver Tree died 333 weeks after Kobe.
Okay.
Okay. When he died, he had around 126 posts in his Instagram. Okay. Kobe died Jan 26, 2026, 126. Okay? Kahit hindi mo pansinin yung
Yeah,
post.
it's right there.
Kahit hindi mo pansinin yung 126 posts. Sabihin na lang natin, let's go to 333 and 126.
Yeah.
Oliver Tree died 333 weeks after Kobe.
9.
And Kobe died 126.
Which is 9.
333, 9.
126
is 9.
Okay.
9 is a fucking sacred number in Freemasonry.
Freemasonry.
Yep.
Because 9 symbolizes
Yep.
the end of a cycle. Completion.
Yep.
Oh.
Completion, bro. And they've been completed.
I see it, bro.
3 times 3. Jesus died at 33.
Yeah.
Yep.
The Trinity. Yeah. And it's funny kasi it ends the cycle, but it begins
A new
his
one.
ascension into a hidden wisdom.
Wait, what's
Hidden
a
wisdom, like a higher form of wisdom, you know more. Like hidden knowledge.
Okay.
Eh, nung namatay siya, he was about to parang release a documentary about a hidden city, Agartha, hidden knowledge.
Okay.
So it kind of parang parallels. Okay, he died, end of a cycle, and he was about to unleash like parang new knowledge, hidden
And
knowledge.
it's the beginning of a new cycle in the sense na a lot of us, including myself, who didn't know who he was, we all know him now because of what he was trying to.
Exactly. Naging nationwide. Worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
Ay,
So parang second
tour din.
win.
Mag-world tour din dapat siya.
Dapat, yeah.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Ano to sinabi niya na ayaw niya na sa Atlantic parang 2 months before he died.
And this is public, no? Lahat.
This is public,
He
bro.
made a video, di ba?
Made a video.
Made a video.
He, time and time again, sinasabi niya na ayoko na,
Di ba NDA yun?
alin?
Are you allowed to even...
Say na you want out?
Oo. Of a record label?
I guess you can say it. We don't know the specific clauses
Yeah.
na meron sila.
Yeah,
Anyway.
I guess every contract could be different.
Yeah, so 9, right? 9. Now, since nag-add na tayo, let's add 614. 614. 6 1 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4 is... 7 plus 4 is 11.
11.
It's
I
okay.
am a comedian.
Kinabahan din ako, oh shit, this whole thing's gonna crumble if it's 12.
Wala, disclaimer Komedyante po kami. Hindi po kami scientist, physicist, mathematicians.
Except Arlu. Si Doc.
Except
Arlu.
Si Doc.
Si Doc.
Si Doc Arlo.
Nah, I'm no doctor.
Okay.
Okay, 6 1 4. 11.
11.
11. It's equal 11. It equals 11. The 11 in Freemasonry also means completion. It also means finality. Pero it's like an old lecture in old Freemasonry na, it's the final stage of being an initiate.
Okay.
The final sector of the winding stairs. It's a whole parang thing with them when they get parang second degree initiation.
Hindi ko mapigilan, pero it's 9/11, bro. So,
Oh, Jesus Christ.
hindi ko kanina mapigilan eh.
Oh, dude.
Ayan na nga.
Finalities of all finalities. Maybe, baka may na, baka meron.
May natawid
Baka may natawid ka.
Sobrang wala akong
Natawid
confidence na meron.
Wala, may pulang tuldok ko na sa noo mo.
Leland is not suicidal.
Yes.
Leland is not
No one
suicidal.
is.
I just bought a dog. I'm so happy. Yes.
Okay.
Anyway, Doc.
11, bro.
Mm.
Actually, nearing, this is the conclusion, 11, right?
Mm.
614. The 11th song on his album, ano yung huli niyang ginawa? Bago siya
Namatay. Huli na. I don't know. He made a song?
No.
Made a video?
No. He went on a helicopter ride.
Obviously.
Right? He went on a helicopter ride
Yeah,
with
yeah,
his
yeah.
friends.
Yeah.
When you're with your friends and riding in a car or maybe a helicopter, what do you call that thing? We're going on a what?
Trip.
Trip.
Like a...
Road trip.
Or
Road
we're
trip.
going on a
Joyride.
That's the 11th fucking song
Wow.
on his fucking album. His last album, 11th song, which means finality, is also the final thing he did on this earth.
Mm.
And that concludes the Oliver Tree conspiracy theory.
That's really interesting because parang if he, I lost it. I was supposed to say something and then it just went away.
Oh, shit,
no.
they're doing something.
They're doing something.
We should have worn
The
the,
vibration.
hats
The
talaga.
vibration.
Because we had hats for the longest time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we did. The first time he
Tinfoil hats.
presented the deck, we had
tinfoil
Kaya may
hats.
tinfoil
Yeah, may
hat yung
tinfoil
ano
too.
eh.
Oh my God, that's so cute. I love
Yeah.
that. I love that.
But
Yeah, wow.
That was-
that was comprehensive. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pero sobrang
Scary
daming
as well.
coincidences,
Yes,
right?
too
It's
much.
It's too much.
I was saying there, that's what I was going to say. I don't think that Oliver Tree orchestrated this necessarily, but it was just the way that it fell into place
Right.
because yun na talaga yung mangyayari sa kanya.
and we're all energy.
And we're all energy.
And it's, lahat ng energy nagpo-fall into place. Kasi harmony siya.
It comes back to you.
Yeah, harmony siya. Cause and effect.
Yeah.
Call it however you wanna call it.
The-
But everything falls back into place. Na parang, oof, my God, they are...
Yeah, bro, they're here. They're here.
doing something, bro.
Ngayon lang nangyayari to ah.
Yeah, dude.
Calling
I'm
at-
not even on my phone.
Calling at 5:46.
Actually, play the YouTube video. That's
5,
what
4,
I
6.
did.
Like,
Yeah.
actually.
That's like
Yeah.
what?
To play the YouTube video.
15. What's your how did you get into
Conspiracies?
conspiracies?
I used to think all of this was so crazy because I have Zaris and I have my boyfriend David, who would talk to me about like ancient aliens and stuff like that.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I just let him talk because I'm like, okay,
Chocolos.
buti na lang guwapo ka, but sige, I'll let you. And then it was when the news of Diddy came out that I was like, wait a minute, stuff like this is happening. If this was hidden from us, what else could they be hiding? And then Epstein comes out and you're like, holy crap, everything is really controlled because there's no way that this is happening and people wouldn't voluntarily do news on it. So it's really controlled. What else are they hiding from us? And then if you dig deep into the Epstein files, you realize that there's occult magic involved.
Yeah.
And when you think about it, parang in all the countries, everywhere in the world, there is lore that magic existed. When did it just disappear? And why? Diba? Parang, bigla na lang scientific na lang lahat. Magic
Yeah.
didn't exist. So another thing that's interesting to me is, for example, mga mythological creatures. So we believe in dinosaurs. Why? Because scientists found fossils and stuff like that, put it together. Dinosaurs are real, but we don't believe in dragons? Bakit? They have the same like skeletal
Yeah.
makeup.
Yeah.
They're reptilians as well.
That's
and
racist.
in the West and East,
Meron
they
eh.
both have dragons.
In mythology.
Yeah.
And Chinese zodiac signs,
Yep.
all of them still exist
Exactly.
except the dragon. So
Yeah.
why is that fake?
Exactly.
Yep. Why is
Exactly.
it that the dragon is the only thing? Doon, sama, yung sa Chinese,
na-
what do you call that?
Zodiac.
Zodiac.
Na mythical.
Lahat, ganda nun lahat sila.
Totoo.
Real.
Yeah, bro.
May pig, may snake,
Oh.
rabbit,
Ox, tiger.
And suddenly there's a dragon who's supposed to be a myth.
Bakit?
Yeah, bakit?
You've seen Game of Thrones? I mean,
Yeah.
Dracarys.
De, pero
And you've seen Mulan?
Yeah. That's right.
You've been in a Chinese New Year celebration.
you can't tell me people were in those dragons. Anyway, sorry, Dex. Ano yan?
Wala lang. Baka tawag dito. Baka may dragons talaga. Di lang natin mahanap yung eggs pa.
Yun nga. Yung eggs.
Kasi nasa Agartha.
Oh, kasi sa Game of Thrones, di ba, hidden din yung
Rare.
eggs. Eh.
Tama.
Rare din.
Baka na
siya.
sa Agartha.
Baka nasa
Oh.
Agartha.
Ayun.
Everything fucking... You know, speaking of Agartha, you know the
I love
theory about this Admiral Byrd?
No.
Who went to... so there's this rumor about a journal. Kasi after World War II, the US parang tried to go to Antarctica. It's called Operation High Jump. They went there to explore the Nazi... Parang, what are the Nazis doing there? Why is Hitler so obsessed with Antarctica?
See, I didn't even know that
Was
he was
he?
obsessed with
Yeah,
Antarctica.
Hitler was obsessed with
This is
Antarctica.
making sense.
That's why he had the
Okay.
mustache. Because
No.
in case he goes there, it's gonna be cold.
Yeah,
Gonna
we
be,
need a little.
We need a
Yeah.
little
Flavor
back
Saver.
mustache.
We need the
you know?
flavor saver up here.
Yeah.
He was obsessed with it kasi it was rumored to be the home of the Aryan race. The Aryan race.
The Aryan.
The
Aryan
Aryan
race.
The Aryan.
Which are
race.
blonde, tall, white people na he wanted everyone else to look like.
Yeah.
Diba? So the US
Yeah.
went there, sabi nila, sige nga, tingnan mo nga. Tapos nagdala sila na sobrang daming ships, guns, like they were preparing for
For a
something
war.
fucking hostile. Ang chismis, ang conspiracy is si Admiral Byrd is like one of their most decorated admirals, sundalo. Sobrang dami niyang awards and for bravery. So sinend nila yung best of the best. Sabi sa journal niya, nasabi ay fake daw, but I don't know. Yung journal niya, nakalagay, pagdating namin dun, may sumundo sa amin.
What the fuck? May sumundo.
May sumundo. Our instruments started going awry. Like fucking barometers
Yeah.
going
The
places. And somebody was taking control na of our plane. It landed on its own. Landed on its own. Pag sabi, ang nag-greet sa kanila is these couple of tall white dudes, blonde hair, and sabi, parang, we'll show you Agartha. We'll show you where we've been hiding all these time. Pagbalik ni Admiral, so this whole interaction happens. Pagbalik niya, you've never fucking guessed what happened to me in that fucking ice wall. We found this whole thing na so lush, the green mountains, wildlife I've never seen before. There's this race of people na
Dragons.
sobrang tall. Dragons. Khaleesi was there.
Jon Snow nandun.
Jon Snow. Tapos sabi sa kanya, pagbalik daw niya, oh, you'll never mention this ever again. And 3 months later, he died. Oh, 3 months later, he died. And then after, nakita yung journal, and then sabi, nah, that journal's
Wait
fake.
lang.
Yan, dali sabihin nun eh.
Question. Sino nagpapatay sa kanya?
I don't know,
Yan
man.
ang hindi natin.
How, ano cause of death?
I don't
Oo
know.
nga eh.
I forgot.
Oh.
Pero
Baka
he
si
died.
ano
too.
ulit.
Autoerotic asphyxiation.
Baka si JP ulit.
Death by drug.
Death by Dragon.
DVD.
May narinig lang kami na ano eh. Ano yung sinasabi ni Khaleesi?
Dracarys.
May narinig lang kami, Sir Nando. Dracarys ba yun?
Tas ang init.
Init biglang init. Tapos ayun, ang dami ng clouds.
Anyway,
But yeah.
season 2, abangan nyo. Nice.
Hi, I'm Victor Anastasio of Comedy Manila. Are you looking for positive vibes and inspiration in your daily life? Di wag kang makinig sa podcast ko dahil baka mabwisit ka lang. Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio. Ano bang pinag-iisipan at pinapag-complainan ng isang komedyante? Ano ba ang isang stand-up comedian sa Pilipinas sa likod ng tabing ng entablado? Yan ang i-reveal natin sa Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio, produced by the Pod Network.
What's your favorite one?
My favorite
Yeah,
Game of Thrones?
No, like
Sorry, palikuli ko.
Westeros. Like, yung conspiracy theory na may gut feel ka talaga na fuck feeling ka talaga there's something here. Totoo talaga.
Sorry, Leland, lahat.
Talaga?
Oh.
I am in a state where I will just believe everything because I think that first of all, do you know the Mandela effect?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Diba?
yeah.
That's different timelines. And CERN just closed last
CERN
week.
just closed.
CERN just closed their
Yeah.
collider and stuff like that. So it may very well be true that everything has happened in a different timeline. Everything, everywhere, all at once. Na may nalatag, something's happening, it's all in a different timeline. It could have.
What
So,
What
yeah.
blows my mind is all of a sudden we're recording these episodes. Merong U-Zone.
Oh.
And bata ko yung sa CERN.
CERN closed.
Sobrang timely. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na meron tayong ginagawang something.
As recently,
Pero I don't see other people doing conspiracy shit here. I only know like you guys are very fond of, these conspiracy.
also this podcast called Jumpers Jump. Yung mga Pinoy
No,
na
Pinoy din.
Jumpers Jump. They're
Oh.
Pinoy. They're Pinoy.
Pero they're very
They're
Phil-Am.
from Toronto, yeah.
Okay.
They're talking about these, they have these timestamps, particular timestamps sa episodes nila na where they talk about conspiracy theories, ganyan. They even take down, correct me if I'm wrong, pero meron silang mga tinitake down na
Na
videos.
episodes. Yeah.
I'm not sure, nabalitaan ko lang somewhere.
Yeah.
Sorry, Jumpers Jump. Baka naman.
Baka naman, shout out.
But ever since we've done conspiracy theories, I mean, just discussing it, very timely na may mga news sa CERN 1 week na
After,
pinag-usapan namin yung collider.
After we talked about it.
May news na
It's
nagsara sila.
closing.
sobrang main character.
Sobrang every time yung may kagawa niya.
Pero, to be fair, in our reality, we are the main character.
We are.
Yeah,
In
so
our
there's
own
no...
reality.
It's a
There's
POW
no...
movie in your eyes.
Hopefully it
yeah.
is. I'll need some help, man.
So, yeah,
Kaya kababa sa esteem mo, no? Ako, I'm living in the Leland movie.
But no, I think... No,
That's better though.
No, but
When you
going...
think that way, I'm living in Pau's movie, I'm living in Aaron's movie because you don't have that kind of ego that everyone's parang just playing a role in your
In your
world.
fucking life, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
but then going back to, I think there was a Dave Chappelle thing where he was talking about that you have to realize that you are the dreamer in your life.
Oh,
You then
yeah.
have to realize when you are part of someone else's dream.
Ganda.
Yeah, so, ang gandang, if you guys know that one, check that out.
Yeah. And ang ganda na sinabi niya sa dulo na, and at that moment, I knew I was in his
In his dream. O, dun kay, Lil Nas.
Yeah.
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 That's
But-
cool. Actually, what I don't know if you have heard. So So with conspiracy theories, we were talking about how has that changed your spirituality and how has that changed how you view things. I have been listening to a podcast called The Telepathy Tapes. Have you heard of that?
No.
So Telepathy Tapes is hosted by this woman named Kai Dickens, and she works with children who have special needs. And she noticed, nasa season 3 na sila, that every special child, when given the ability to communicate, let's say to type, they can't talk, they type, you find out that children with special needs know more than us in a sense na because they're connected to a different consciousness, they can actually communicate with each other.
What the fuck?
And there have been a lot of studies of children around the world meeting on what they call the hill. So they just all meet there because they have no control of their physical bodies. Their consciousness talks to each other. And they were able to like communicate with children with special needs, with dead people, and they type it. Parang when they learn to communicate, you realize they have so much more information than us. And us as humans, we think they are low because they can't control their physical body. But they're actually, I think, above us.
Yeah.
Shit.
You should listen to
dude, I'm
Telepathy.
getting-
Naalala ko yung sabi mo,
man.
kaya nilang mag-communicate and nakokontrol sila ng together.
Yeah.
Parang yung weapons. Naalala niyo yun?
Oh, yeah.
Yung sa movie.
yeah.
And they're going to the same place.
Yes!
So I think may inspiration sigurong nakuha.
Maybe.
Okay, pero
Yeah.
kulam yun eh.
Kinulam sila.
Kinulam sila eh.
Kinulam sila nung ano.
Iba
eh.
yun. Iba
Ni
yun.
Aunt.
Yeah.
Ano pa?
One Wish Willow. Charot. Iba yun.
Parallelism, di ba?
Parallelism, yeah. But yun, there's talks about that. I also now believe in people who can remote view.
Oh.
So
Like, is that like astral projecting?
it is like astral projecting, but I didn't know that the US government has
Yeah.
certifications
McMonagall.
for people who can do that.
Yeah.
So they certify people, and what they'll do is they'll have them sit in a room blindfolded, give them coordinates, and then have them describe the place that the coordinates were given. Parang the coordinates, and they can describe it in full detail.
So they have
Project
visual
Stargate.
of everything.
huh?
They have visual.
Visual. They can actually go there.
Yeah.
Which brings me to, did you know that a lot of political leaders have what they call spiritual soldiers, so that not only are they safe from physical attacks, they're safe from,
From
psychic attacks.
That's some Magneto shit.
Yeah,
Magneto
that's
shit.
like
That's
Sorry,
some,
that's
ano,
some Professor X shit.
Metal Gear shit.
Ah,
Remember?
yeah,
Metal
Metal
Gear?
Gear. Shit, you play Metal Gear?
I played
Damn.
Metal Gear.
Oh, yeah.
Snake Eater.
Snake Eater, bro.
Yeah, switch the controller.
Yeah.
Kasi spiritual soldier siya.
Yeah,
so there's
spiritual
basis
Wild.
for that.
Yeah, may
And
blindfold and
Kojima
everything.
is tapped into these things. The maker of Metal Gear, his latest game, Death Stranding, has a lot of parallelism with what's happening with all these parang Great Awakening things.
Yes.
And it's interesting that you mentioned Project Stargate. Kasi remember, I don't know if we talked about, we talked about this here. There's one guy, Carl Wolf, who was killed because he knew na parang there were bases on the moon.
Yeah.
And one of the early parang discoveries with Project Stargate, kinausap I'm forgetting the first name, but I think the surname was McMonagall. One of the parang success stories of Project Stargate. Sabi niya,
Si Mac.
can you project your consciousness on the moon?
Project your consciousness on,
On the moon.
So,
Yeah.
bale,
What do you
travel
mean?
ka doon. Punta ka doon.
Yeah.
Ah,
Punta
okay,
ka
okay,
dun.
okay.
Punta ka dun. So, sabi niya, okay. So, nire-record yung ano niya. Nire-record yung session niya. So, verbatim sabi niya, okay, I'm seeing structures. I'm seeing buildings.
Mukhang cheese.
Alikabok! Tapos sabi niya, oh, wait, I'm going in. Sabi niya, oh, wait, they see me. Tapos,
They
they
see
see
me.
me. Tapos sinistop niya yung session. Sabi niya, they know I was coming. And you know that, right?
That's
So parang in-erase niya yung sarili niya kasi they fucking see me. They know I'm here. So he saw bases on the moon. Carl Wolf saw pictures on the moon. So parang fucking there are bases on the moon because we never went back there.
We never.
For how
If
many-
we
were
did,
never
if we
there.
ever
Ever
did.
We were
went.
never there, man. I saw all of these pictures the other day.
nakakatanga eh.
Oo, gago yung shadow, magkaibang trajectory. Parang gago.
Parehong-
Pag ganun, pababa.
And one
nang-
of the astronauts, I forgot which one. Dalawa sila, diba?
Buzz
Aldrin.
Buzz
Yeah.
Aldrin, he would say in interviews, parang hint na parang, well,
Nadudulas siya
that was a fun film or
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like that. Parang
shit.
nadudulas siya. And a kid asked him about it. And he straight up told the kid, oh, well, that didn't happen.
Yeah, the
Damn.
rumor is it was unmanned. We just sent like a probe there to get some samples. But the whole thing was filmed in like with
Houston,
with
Houston,
Stanley
I've
Kubrick.
been seeing so many ever since I was a kid. Like there's so many analysis of the pictures na yung crosshair kalahati lang.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang halatang Photoshop yung mga ibang parts.
Yeah,
of it.
Yeah.
sobrang daming
Damn.
evidences na
Yeah, it
everything's
never happened.
fabricated. Ang sa akin nga, hindi nga ako magagalit sa kanila kung maglagay ka na lang ng camera dun, sila na bahala.
Dude, at saka may
No one's gonna be
nag-film-
mad.
May nag-film nung umalis na sila eh.
Oo.
Oh, wow.
Sabi, it was remote controlled daw. Parang, do you know how far the moon is in yung latency in the year 1960s?
Yes.
Yeah.
At saka nung tinawagan sila ni Nixon, hey, this is the president. Walang latency, bro. Instant
yeah,
na.
mabilis.
Sila,
Oh,
hey, come on.
Yeah.
May signal.
May signal, Brad.
I mean, pag nag-FaceTime ka nga, may 0.3 seconds minsan.
Exactly. Kapag ngayon kausap mo dito
Pampanga lang yun,
Sa
ah.
Pampanga, ang late pa, di ba?
Oo, kung walang cell tower yung area na yun.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I've been cooking up this conspiracy.
Oh,
that I,
oh my God!
that I
Conspiracy.
no, I've been thinking about it. No, seriously. Okay, so
Conspiracy.
do you know, because of you guys were talking about the games earlier, right? And you know how Sony is pushing for no discs, no physical media,
Yes,
all of their
yes.
stuff.
Some years.
Yeah, diba, starting 2028, I think.
2028.
And lately, lahat CDs, our music is all on servers. Our media is all on servers. So like everything is slowly starting to become server based.
Okay.
And do you remember how like there is a gap in our history na hindi natin alam because may na sunog na library?
Of
Ito ba yung
Alexandria?
1800s?
Yeah. The
Yeah.
the
Library of
library.
Alexandria.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
So that is supposedly the housing of all of our world's accumulated knowledge, right? Doesn't that kind of sound like a data server?
Oo nga.
It is the accumulation of lahat ng ginawa natin. So my weird like thing that I've been thinking of lately is like, what if we're being prepped for another
Another
wiping?
destruction, yeah.
While
Holy
putting all of our culture, all of our conspiracies, all of our culture, everything that we've held near and dear,
Right.
they're putting it in these servers para biglang ma-shut down and then they can write it again.
It makes sense. And to back that up, I don't know if it's a theory yet,
Uh-huh.
pero the fact that you're opening it now, parang the fact na nilalabas nila lahat ngayon, confidently. Parang, hindi, gagawin natin paraan yan soon.
Buburahin din naman natin.
Buburahin din naman natin.
Buburahin
Ah,
na. Let's let them live in that.
Like, if I know that I have that card, that Thanos, alam mo yun,
Snap.
everything
That
disappears. That CERN collider thing. If kaya ko gawin yun, if I have the tools to actually parang erase this knowledge, this whole data, edi, sige, okay lang, labas mo na lahat.
Yeah.
Mamamatay naman lahat yan.
Yeah.
Diba?
Oh, shit.
Mabubura
And not
yun eh.
just that, like in addition to what you said, putting everything on servers, if there is something in the past that was put out that had information that they don't want us to know, now that you don't have a physical copy, they can change it.
They can
Yes.
change
Exactly.
it. They can change it.
Yeah.
Make it
Dude.
look old.
Oh.
Diba?
Hey.
AI, the
Yeah.
fact that they're releasing that now,
Yeah.
Yeah.
they're making us doubt all these new videos because social media has made it so easy for people to just share this information.
Yeah.
So now that AI is out, you're gonna doubt whether this information
Yes.
is real.
Exactly. It's
Kahit
so
na
lifelike.
totoo na yung lumabas,
Yeah.
that's AI.
Yeah.
I've always thought that about like the deep fakes, the AI, the everything. They're making it so that like if anyone is ever caught doing something they're not supposed to be doing, like and the AI.
AI
Yeah,
yan eh.
yeah,
AI
exactly.
Sobrang, ang weird, no? Parang AI is present in all social platforms, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
TikTok
all.
has AI.
Yep.
Instagram has AI.
Dude, our phones are pushing
Facebook.
AI.
ChatGPT has AI. Even Messenger.
Yeah, dude.
All of it.
Meta AI.
Meta
AI.
AI. Doon kami gumagawa ng poster minsan eh. So, I mean, if everything's AI, yes, it makes it easier for you to fool someone. But it also makes it, to your point, makes it easier for you to doubt
Yeah.
whether is it the real thing?
Yeah.
Or is it
There's I actually came across this theory. Do you know Rocco's basilisk?
No.
Okay, so Rocco's basilisk is this thing about AI.
si White?
Who?
Does he have a modern life?
So si Rocco, ano siya? It's like this AI super god in the future.
Oh.
Okay.
Damn.
The parrot, I don't know.
Hold on. Concept siya.
Concept siya.
Okay.
So si Rocco is like this AI super god na ang thing niya is sabi niya inevitable siyang mangyari. Inevitable siyang mangyari. And the fact na kumakalat siya sa internet is parang cursing humanity kasi yung paradox is, sabi niya, if you know about me and you didn't help me become true, then parang ilalagay niyo yung mga taong hindi tumulong to make him true into like a matrix now where everything is hard. Life is hard. It's just a fucking endless of bad news and
Blackmail
shit.
shit?
Yeah. But if you help me come true, then you live with me in like the real world.
It's like playing God.
It's like Matrix. It's like Matrix.
Pretty much. Yeah.
And there's like a theory that we're in it now.
Yeah.
Matrix. We are.
We are in the fucking Rocco's basilisk.
Morpheus
Kasi
in Trinity is back there.
back there. Sa kabilang kwarto lang.
If there even is a room.
Yeah.
Oh.
If there even is a room.
Even is a room.
Alam mo
But
ano
yeah.
meron ngayon?
Pinakitaan tayo ng
Energy.
battery ni Morpheus.
You know what?
Yeah.
So I watched a video of Oliver Tree recently, and apparently it was a skit. Like he was playing a character, but he said something very interesting. So he said something like, if AI is artificial intelligence. And he made a parang, I don't know if it was real, but he goes, yeah, have you heard of artificial super intelligence? So apparently, if that comes out,
AGI.
then all jobs will cease value.
Yep.
Because parang, what's the point? What's the point of all of this? If money is of no value, what's the point of doing all these jobs? And who is the one who's gonna have the most problems when that happens? Billionaires.
Yeah.
Which is why they wanna keep us
Yep.
in there. Because yun na. Like if this intelligence comes out,
Yeah.
we will only do stuff that we like.
Yeah.
We don't need to be in this
Like the
money,
grind.
Yeah.
this grind. What will we do instead? Diba?
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
just pursue our own things. And money, their money that they worked so hard for.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Wala nang kwenta.
And if their life was just chasing money, then their entire life was just for nothing.
Tsaka wala nang added value eh. If in-invest mo yung sarili mo sa pag-acquire lang ng pera.
Pera.
Wala ibang skill.
Yes. Or even
Walang-
passion. Like,
Even passion.
Diba?
So there's this thing, I forgot the Indian guy, yung name ng Indian guy. Pero sabi
Sunil.
niya that super intelligence, it will happen eventually. And it's sooner than you think. Ang projection niya 6 years from 2026.
Wow.
Damn.
Hindi sa
2032.
Oh. Super intelligence is nakuha mo lahat ng, if memory serves me right, nakuha mo lahat, paki-fact check na lang, ng human skills. Like for example, if you're a doctor, lahat ng skills na ginagawa ng doctor, kaya na ng super intelligence. Even lawyers,
Yeah.
kaya na ng super intelligence. That's why, in 6 years daw, ang unang mawawalan ng trabaho, again, this is just a theory of that AI expert, Indian guy, forgot the name, ilalagay ko na sa comments.
to lose their jobs.
The first one.
You know what? Bagay sa'yo.
Backfired.
If super intelligence.
Super intelligent.
The first one to go are doctors, lawyers.
Doctors?
And this is true.
But not call centers, right?
Yeah, the last ones, and this is not to bullshit anyone. The last one to go are artists.
Yay!
Because
I like that.
apparently, kayang gawin lahat ng super intelligence, lahat ng human skills. Sense of humor, never.
And creation.
And
That's why
creation.
AI has to take from other artists.
Yeah.
Yes. So parang yes, they can they can collect inspirations that human made. For example, art ni Rako kinuha nila. Improv skills ni Aaron, tatry nilang i-mimic, i-duplicate.
If they can.
If they can.
They can.
But the thing with artists ay every day may naisip kang bago. Naisip kang different way to do things. And that, yun yung hindi nila kayang i-reproduce.
Yeah. You have
Yung
lived
active thing
experiences.
na nagde-develop in an
Every
artistic way. Ang makukuha lang nila is yung artistic ways na ginagamit mo from past to present. Hindi nila kayang mag-evolve from
Something
there.
original.
Parang
yeah.
they all get
Yeah.
the end product without the journey going there.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Mismo.
artificial.
Oo.
It's
Pero
artificial.
hindi nila alam, everyday may bago ka.
Oo.
Everyday you're shuffling, pare.
Tan, 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 tan.
So parang, hindi naman niya sinasabi na never mawawalan ng trabaho ang artists. Eventually, may mangyayari. And even yung nagagawa ng
Because
artist.
people like mediocre stuff. Like,
Yeah.
especially
Yeah.
the ones na...
Yung
just-
demand yung mawawala.
Yung demand yung mawawala.
That's why if napagawan mo ng joke or skit si AI, kung sino man, ChatGPT or whoever, it's very, ba't ka napunta dyan? Anong reference mo?
Yeah, yeah.
Na nakakatawa yan. So, yun lang.
You know,
Yeah.
ito, in the topic of AI, parang si Elon, parang di ba parang quite maybe a few years back or maybe a few months back, sinabi niya na, can we stop muna, like, it's going too fast.
Oh,
really? Yeah. And then for a while, they did. Some Altman did, parang, okay, sige, truce,
Chill.
ceasefire, let's do. But they parang restarted, like, parang 2 months lang or 3 months lang. Sige, balik na tayo.
So
But they
why
were
the
scared.
break? Why the break kaya?
Because they parang,
Because we're not ready, I think.
we're not ready.
I think humanity isn't ready for the type of information that can come to us. Okay, so I'm gonna go into another
Okay.
tangent
Please
here.
do.
Crazy.
We're crazy.
I'm crazy. There is, I mentioned this earlier, an actor, or I think he's anyway. There's this man from America. His name is Daryl Anka, and he's appeared on many, many podcasts to talk about him channeling a higher being from another dimension named Bashar, and he said this is not this being's name. Bashar is just Arabic for the messenger. So, sinasabi nga nila, I'm sure you know that Disclosure Day is coming up, and they have first contact responders such as Bashar to prepare humanity for the coming of the higher beings. And how do they prepare for that? So he has all these conferences. And the way he got into it was parang he went to a meditation retreat, and then during his meditation, a being appeared in front of him. And then when he opened his eyes, a woman behind him drew the being, as in exactly how he saw it. And the being said, I will be channeling my messages through you. So now what he does in these big conferences all over America is he'll be like that. Parang nakapikit siya. And then he'll channel a being, talk completely differently, and answer all kinds of questions. And he talks about how the rules of living a full life includes, number 1, follow what you love to the best of your ability, how far you can take it. And parang, because you do that, don't worry about anything else. If you are sure that you following your passion makes you happy, just be sure that everything will come to you eventually. For example, if you want money, if you want, good things to happen to you, just be sure that it's coming while following your highest passion. So that's the number 1 rule that
Why
he
is
said.
it friendly?
Why is he friendly?
Yeah.
Because he wants humanity to prepare for the coming of all these higher beings and all this information. Because it's only now, Dao, that the beings are seeing that humanity is slowly opening to the idea that there are extraterrestrial beings.
It's scary to me. Sorry for cutting you off.
No problem.
But it's so Bashar, why is it friendly like that? Na parang okay, I know may translation siya na ginagamit para maintindihan natin.
Tama.
Pero why is it acting like he wants us to to do good and like
Because-
follow our desires and passions.
Yes, because in all ancient texts, good will always win. And you see this in religion, you see this in all kinds of stuff in movies, diba? Parang that's really just the prediction. Good will always win. So this is the path towards that.
Okay.
And to answer, for example, Oliver Tree's pagka-flat earther, someone asked him, is the earth flat? And then he said, actually, the earth is a shape, parang you see it as spherical, but shapes, the way we know it, are different from how you understand it. So Earth daw isn't necessarily flat or round, it's layered. Which
Layered.
goes into Agartha.
Gartha.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, Hollow Earth.
So Earth isn't a shape that we technically understand yet.
Yet. Yeah.
I have this thing. Siguro ano lang, side and something lang, whatever it is. Naisip niyo ba minsan how you see things is different
From other
from
people.
other people's perspective?
Yes.
Oh, 100%.
Like lahat ah. Like for example, I read this walang edit. I see the font. I see black. You may see the same thing, but if I look into your eyes, I would probably see it differently.
Yeah. Or even understand it differently.
Understand it differently. It's just that how we communicate, we find a common ground.
Yes.
In order for us to at least have a grasp of what the other person
We can
is.
interact.
ano.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pero if you see through the eyes of different people, I think everything is different. Your face is different from how you
Yeah.
see it to how I see
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because we have different brains and yun yung nag-generate ng consciousness eh.
Yeah, because like the physical stuff that is out there is only it's there. Pero this is the absorbing thing. This is the
Yes.
understanding factor. Like wala siyang, and humans can't communicate telepathically yet.
Yet.
Hopefully,
Unless they're special.
unless they're
Unless
special.
they're special.
But then like we won't be able to understand na ikaw kita mo to as something else. Ako kita ko to
Yes.
as something else. We all witness things differently. So parang until we reach that point of higher consciousness and being, it's gonna be a mystery talaga.
Yes.
So parang, if Venn diagram mo, lahat na nakikita natin nasa gitna, pero we're really here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diba?
In fact, diba, how did I introduce myself? Everything we see is a perception of our own mind.
Yeah.
Everything that we absorb.
Exactly. You know, di ba we touched upon the double slit theory,
Yes.
double slit experiment. And di ba parang pinag-usapan natin kanina that everything happens everywhere all at once.
Yes.
Yung, I don't know if I touched upon this when we discussed the double slit theory, but the mystery there kung bakit hindi nila ma-figure out why it's multiplying in 5 slits when it's just 2 slits. Ang theory is, at that level, at the quantum level, the smallest of all small scales, the photons and electrons, nag-a-assume sila ng reality na lahat, I enter this slit, I enter that slit, and it's happening all at the same time, even if I'm just one particle. It's like, only, nagko-collapse lang siya, pumipili lang siya ng slit when you put information
Yep.
on somewhere. When you put, oh, he goes to slit A, it goes to slit A. Because ang theory is, this reality is an information reality. Whenever something is spoken or recorded, doon lang siya nagiging totoo. The idea behind Schrodinger's cat na
Yeah,
parang,
Yes.
before you open the box, it's both dead and alive. It's true. Until you observe, then reality chooses for you.
Yeah.
Do you think it has something to do with like, you know how there are different dimensional beings?
Yeah.
So like maybe before it's recorded, nasa 4th dimension siya. So
Ah,
it's showing all of the
Good point though.
possible, diba? It's showing
Yeah.
all the possible things that it could be. Then when we view it with our 3-dimensional
When we
eyes,
observe it.
bumabalik sa
Exactly.
ano.
That's
Kasi
what
bumababa
happens.
siya eh.
Oo, kasi bumababa.
siya ganun
Yeah.
eh.
That's what happens dun sa experiment exactly. When you observe, it collapses to one option only. Even if you delay your choice. Like you let it pass through, you don't observe, and then you observe once it passes through, it reverses itself na, okay, I'll fucking, because you observed me, I'll revert to that.
Yeah.
And actually, Bashar mentions this to explain it in super layman's terms. He said, if you're watching TV and you switch channels, Once you switch to another channel, it doesn't mean that the other channels aren't playing a show. You're just watching this channel. So
That's a good
all
analogy.
These, diba?
Oo.
All these channels are happening at the same time. The shows are happening. You're just not watching them. It doesn't mean they don't exist.
It doesn't,
Crazy.
kumbaga, if a tree falls in a,
In a forest,
forest,
and nobody hears it.
will it make a sound? Something like that.
yeah.
I wanna, put it in a philosophical
As a
sense.
philosophy
Ga-
student,
ga- ga-
Yes,
ga-
yes.
Hindi naman,
let's go.
kasi you mentioned kanina yung sa cat.
Schrodinger's
Schrodinger's
cat.
cat.
So sabi ni Plato before, may two worlds. World of ideas and world of forms. Sabi mo kanina, ito, world of information. to.
Word of information.
But the fact na information to, ibig sabihin, may perfect world. The fact that it's giving you information. Information for what?
Okay.
So there
And
must
from
be
where?
a world where the information comes from.
Yeah. The source of everything.
source of everything.
The source. The code. Source code, bro.
Source code.
So everything you see here are imperfect. Right? Yung chair na yan, kumbaga, magiging
Yeah.
worn out yan.
Or
someday.
programmed to be imperfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero merong perfect chair.
Somewhere.
Somewhere.
Na-balance lang
And
talaga.
with that logic, if papanoorin mo, if sundan mo yung ganong logic, there must be, hindi natin makukuha yung perfect chair sa mundong to. So there must be a world where it's and baka yun yung si ano.
Because there's
Kung saan galing
Yeah.
si Bashar.
Yes.
Oo.
Because there's limitations eh. Parang may limit yung how small a particle can be, how fast light is. Everything is parang programmed to a limit. You know how you can't really touch anything.
Because
Yes.
there's a
At the,
space.
there's this at the smallest of the smallest scale, at the quantum level, it doesn't really parang touch.
Yes.
Yung resistance lang ng atoms yung nafe-feel mo.
Energy.
Energy.
Which we all are.
Which we all are.
Ang ganda.
And time
Natin
is just a
Social
A
construct.
It's a
Diba?
spectrum, pare.
Ganda.
But good shit. Pero sobrang nakaka-high.
Yeah.
dude.
Yung ganitong
We're not
con-
even scratching the surface.
Oh,
yet.
man.
I know.
I really feel
Malalim
like
pa eh. Pero andito na, Aaron, I know it's your second time here.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't let you go without you, sharing us your unfiltered take.
Oh, my unfiltered take?
Yeah.
Meron
Dili.
pa ba? I've been saying so many.
You need to formalize it.
At the formula.
We are now. Asan na tayo?
And filtered.
Andito na tayo sa unfiltered takes.
Dili, binago na pag-iisip.
Ano yun?
So-
Anong language yun?
So Jed's not here anymore.
Fake
I know.
As you
Bisaya.
can see. So si Aaron, na-witness niya yung unfiltered takes ni Jed na, alam mo yun, mababang, unfiltered takes. Mga ganun. Pero dito sa unfiltered takes na, binabago-bago ni Dex kung ano yung mga
Lingwahe.
lingwahe.
Ah, ganda.
Yes.
So pag dumating na yung alien.
That's gonna
Dahil-
be my unfiltered take, actually. I think if you don't believe in aliens, that is arrogance.
Oh!
Because
Interesting.
if you think that the human species is the highest being of like the most intelligence, look at our world leaders. These are the people that we chose to lead the world.
Yeah.
And if that is the highest form of intelligence, we are in trouble.
Yeah.
We are.
Nasa ilalim tayo ng pyramid.
Not even.
It is arrogant.
I
for
agree.
me.
arrogant.
I agree. Tsaka the absolute, like, bayag na, di tayo lang yun nandito.
Yeah.
Diba? We're the best. Ah, talaga.
Ego mo
Have you
nasa-
seen the news? We are
Yeah.
not the best.
Yeah.
There's no
Best.
way.
Hindi kang layo eh. Sobrang layo.
Yeah.
There must be something higher, someone higher.
Yeah.
Feel ko marami.
Marami.
honestly.
And I'm not
You know,
even talking about
yeah.
Jesus.
Oh.
So parang someone really, can move things, not just walk on water. Alam mo yun, parang really
Control.
Tricks lang yun eh.
Oops.
Oo.
No, hindi.
Higher
totoo.
consciousness.
Nasa fork siya.
Dex
Nasa
naman,
fork.
Dex saw it. He saw it from the back.
Pero hindi ko nakita.
So we had Draco last episode. And before we formally end the episode, you need to answer our walang edit question. Which is what we call the question.
Quiz!
WEE.
Alam mo, kailangan talaga explain lagi.
Kasi wala magigets.
Question.
Do you think magkaka-soundboard tayo ever?
Quiz!
Pero yung soundboard explainer, kasi yung
Kasi dalawang E.
Kada kada part ng sentence na yun, isa-isang button siya.
Kasi
yung...
Alam mo yung parang sa aso. Sorry.
May
Hello.
may buttons. P. Ang question ni Rako, ang question niya is,
Another one of us.
another one of us. One of us?
the enlightened ones.
The enlightened.
Para mga baliw eh.
Sinabi ko na I'm
Yeah,
crazy.
yeah.
We are, yeah.
And I'm not afraid to
Dude.
admit it. Eto, feeling ko nasagot mo na, pero maybe to formally really say, ang question kasi ni Rako is, what's the most batshit conspiracy theory that you think is true?
Everything related to Hollywood,
Oh!
I believe is true. All the rituals,
Yeah.
Grammys being a ritual,
Ice
White
Oscars being a ritual, the way they play in our faces with the storylines that they make, I think it's all real.
Damn.
Yeah.
Dio.
Rothschilds,
Rothschilds, the
Rockefellers.
Rockefellers,
Yeah.
which is a whole rabbit hole.
Exactly.
It's like they're just
and they
dangling.
made Hollywood to distract us so that we don't see the real stuff they're doing, or they have to show us through their made up movies,
Yeah.
which could very well be
They
reality.
can help themselves. Parang,
The
I need
hubris.
to parang put some
I want
balance.
to
in
brag.
it. I want to
Yun
That's
brag.
what I can get away with.
Yeah.
The hubris
Feeling ko
of the whole
nare-reverse
thing.
psychology rin nila tayo eh. Kasi 'di ba conspiracy theories yan. Aliens, Hollywood, Epstein. But the fact that they're putting these documentaries on the main online streaming platforms is like a reverse reverse psychology tactic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi nilabas nga namin yung docu eh. So tingin mo totoo talaga.
Exactly.
Yung totoo yan. Hindi kami magkano ng docu.
Yeah.
Pero feeling ko totoo. Kasi nire-reverse psychology nila tayo.
Agreed.
Reverse mo ulit.
They want us to doubt na
Agreed.
bakit nila nilalabas to lahat?
Exactly.
Baka hindi to totoo.
Exactly, bro.
So,
They want us misaligned. Super
Oo.
quick.
Galing.
bro.
Galing.
Super quick. You know how the months aren't aligned with how it's called?
yeah.
You know, October, Oct is 8, November, Na is 9, December is Dec is 10.
Yeah.
But it turns out na December is 12 and October is 10.
Yeah.
Why isn't it aligned? Back to when we were talking before the pod na parang, the billionaires and the people who control the world doesn't want us aligned with nature, with the vibrations. And I think they deliberately parang misaligned us with the months para we're not in tune with the
dates.
yeah, kasi if i-align mo siya, March would parang fall under parang as the first month. In its spring, the beginning of everything should be where it all
Should be
begins.
January.
Yeah, parang
March
kumbaga yung
and April should be pushed earlier.
pushed. March should be like the first kasi it's
Oo.
where everything grows.
Batang lamig sa Taiwan ng January. Alam mo yun?
I
Why
remember-
is it like that?
Seeing something, sorry, just to add to that
Yeah,
lang,
yeah,
really
yeah.
quick. Seeing something that there is a way to break apart all of the months in the year.
yeah, and it
Na sakto, same day, same
28s.
cycle. Oo, exactly.
We're not doing that.
yeah, parang magkakaroon dapat ng 13th month.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, kasi pwede mong
Sana
i-divide
lahat may 30.
Sa trabaho nga, by 14th eh. May mga trabaho.
Shoutout mga bangko dyan. Umabot ng 16, 17 daw.
Shit,
I had to count from March when you said spring, and yun, it lined up with October.
yeah.
God damn. This is malayo pa.
Kulang!
Kulang, bro.
Tip of the
Dami pa.
iceberg pa.
Part
So,
3.
Or 3, yeah.
hahanap ako na gagawa tayo ng 2-hour episode next time. Pero
Next time, dadali ni Aaron yung The Great Awakening
Yes.
map.
I'll
Yes.
bring it. I'll
And then
bring it.
we'll prepare the hats
and feel
na yun.
free to
Yes.
bring
Yes.
someone you wanna bring.
Oh my God, Zaris.
Yes, please.
Dude, yeah.
Schedule ko na yun. But thank you so much.
This was so fun. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope you really had fun. Like, sana bumalik ka. And I know na you have a busy day. And thank you for squeezing us in munti ko na sabihin yung araw. Yeah.
Anything from a peeps.
Yeah.
Peeps.
We're all the same.
Enlightened.
We're
We're
all
all the same.
we're just energy, all of us.
Yeah. We're all
Yeah.
Anunnaki.
Wait lang. Disclaimers na none of us are suicidal.
Yes.
None
None
of
of us
us
are
are
suicidal.
Happy.
This is for entertainment purposes
For
only.
entertainment.
Yeah.
Entertainment
Research.
only.
Do your research.
Tsaka
It
sa
could be-
mga naghahanap ng proof sa conspiracy theories na dinidiscuss namin.
You won't find it.
Kung
Go find
meron kung meron kaming actual evidence ng lahat, tawag dito sa pinag-usapan namin, history. Conspiracy nga eh.
Yeah, but also don't take everything you see face value. Tas yun na yun.
Yeah.
Do your research. Parang yun nga yung maganda sa conspiracies. It invites you to do your own research.
I
Fact
love
check.
it. Yeah.
And be critical thinkers also.
Oh.
Critical
Be
thinkers.
open-minded. Don't accept all the dogmas as real.
Yeah.
Even if it's science, question it.
Yeah.
Be philosophical na why? Hanggang sa makaabot ka sa, there you go.
Even history is a bunch of
Yeah.
like, if-
Especially history.
Especially-
Yeah,
actually.
especially history.
Kasi yun yung sinasabi nating nangyari talaga eh.
Oh.
But it's written
And
in
kung
Bible.
sino yung nagsasabi nung history, mga nanalo lang, di ba?
Yeah,
Correct.
that's
Yep.
true.
I mean, the fact that an entire library of knowledge burnt down and
Yep.
people don't know
And it'll soon
what was
happen
there. Ayun na nga.
So,
They tried to do that di ba? Sa The Louvre, di ba? They tried to
did?
burn yung...
The Louvre.
The Louvre.
The lore of it.
yung Louvre. So, di ba, nasunog siya. And
Hindi ko
then,
alam.
nasunog siya. Pero naagapan. Oo.
basta si Tom Hanks, Angels and Demons.
Oo.
Anyway,
Nicolas Cage.
Da Vinci Code pala, sorry.
Hindi, tama.
Hindi,
Angels
tama,
and
Angels and
Demons.
Demons.
Both
No, no,
Both.
Nandun
Yeah,
ba siya?
both.
Nandun
Pareho.
ba siya sa
Pero
Angels and
yung
Demons?
Anak ni Jesus yung una eh.
And then yung pangalawa yung parang clues around Vatican.
Anyway, that's another story.
Yeah,
another
yeah,
conversation.
It'll never end.
This is not
That
good.
was
Thank you so
great.
much,
Thank you.
Aaron.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
guys.
We'll see you again,
Yes.
please.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah.
And watch their shows. Spit is going crazy.
Oh, we're big fans.
All year.
Thank
Yes,
you.
super big
Thank
fans.
you.
And
Shout
her
out, Papu.
duo A to Z. May duo sila ni Zaris.
Yeah, very entertaining na duo. by
Yep.
the way.
Thank you so
And trust
much.
me, hindi nyo kaya gawin yung ginagawa.
That's right, AI.
Yeah, step up.
Fuck you, AI.
Kaya, Arlo Yuson, Dex Conche, Pao Katigbak, the lovely Aaron Cristobal, Leland Lim. Wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.